This shit again.
You heard about this nigga Jamal Wade?
Gotta run this money.
Girl, this nigga is popping. Yes, girl, period.
All these motherfucking questions
Girl,
they
he
asking
getting
me.
all this cash. I'ma need some of that.
Like they know me.
Yo, what's good? What's poppin', YouTube? You already know what's up, man. It's Jamal Wade, and I'm back with another video. Let's go. Let's get it. Hey, so in today's video, I'm actually going to pick up my golds. Now, a lot of people been asking me, like, why do you want golds when you can just get VVS's? Y'all gotta understand, man. To spend that much money, ain't nothing wrong with it. Don't get me wrong. If you got it, go ahead and get it. But the way I'm looking at it, I'm from Tampa Bay, Florida, and I like my golds. I ain't gonna lie. That's what we rock in the South. You know what I'm saying? You can ask anybody. If you from South, you rocking them golds. You feel me? And at the same time, you know what I'm saying? I like how I look with golds. I think they look good on me. You know what I'm saying? This is me personally. But yes, I'm on my way to go get them. I'm so excited because honestly, it took didn't take them that long. I think I went to go get them molded probably last Tuesday or Wednesday, one of them. It was one of those days, but I went to go get them molded like a week ago or whatever, and he just texted me. He was like, yo, come pick up your golds. You know what I'm saying? They ready. You know what I'm saying? I would have went earlier. It's about 5 o'clock. I would have went earlier, but unfortunately, he said he had some work to be done, that he was still working on somebody else. So it's all good. It's all good in the hood. You know what I'm saying? Everything fine. But like I said, if you haven't yet, go check out Jenga. The music video done dropped. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notification. You already know what it is, man. And honestly, I'm grateful for everybody showing me love. You know what I'm saying? Really staying tuned in. Be sure, if you do subscribe to my channel, be sure to leave a comment and let me know that you subbed. You know what I'm saying? So I can actually sub back to your channel if you're a YouTuber. If not, I get it. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. It's whatever. You know what I'm saying? People driving crazy out here today, boy. That's that 5 o'clock traffic for you. But yeah, man, like I said, new merch. You can go to my website, realjamalwade.com. Be sure to go ahead and cop some merch. You know what I'm saying? Things are on sales right now. I got a winter collection coming soon, so be on the lookout for that. And besides that, man, I'm doing good. If y'all wondering how I'm doing good. I'm blessed. You know what I'm saying? I really do appreciate all the support. This should be fun, man. I've been waiting like 7 days to go get my gold. So yeah, man. Oh yeah, what would you say? Would you say VVS diamond teeth, or would you say golds? You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all would prefer. You know what I'm saying? Even if you don't prefer them, even if you really don't like golds, I like gold. I like everything gold, honestly. And even with me having money, quite honestly, I'm going to stay with gold because gold lasts longer. And not even that it lasts longer, it's just, it look better on me, you know what I'm saying? I think it do, so why not have it, you feel me? I got a bad cough right now, man. This shit is aggravating. It's bad, man. It's not good. My nose feels congested. I don't have the COVID. I took the COVID test and it came out negative. So they with all this new variant, this new Delta variant. That's crazy, right? Right when the world was calming down. Hey, Delta variant on your ass. That's crazy. You would have never thought. But hey, you know what I'm saying? A lot of pharmaceuticals, they're making a lot of money off this. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, it's a win for them at the end of the day. But the public is not. You know what I'm saying? And I just want to give my condolences to everybody who lost a family member or someone that they know through the COVID during 2020 or 2021. You know what I'm saying? My condolences go to you. Condolence. How do you say it? Condolence. 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 Condolence? Hey, we're gonna say condolence. You know what I'm saying? So I really wish that everybody do stay safe. Obviously, I don't have a mask on right now. I'm by myself. You know what I'm saying? But I'm pretty sure when I get around people, I throw a mask on because I don't want the COVID, man. I heard that shit sucks, man. It's not a good feeling. And, you know, who want to be sick? Nobody want to be sick. But this cough gotta go, man. I've been eating Halls. Well, not eating them, but you know what I mean. I'm not sick. I just got a bad cough. I think I was yelling too much. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I'm on my way to get my goals. I'm pretty excited about this. This is gonna be dope. You know what I'm saying? Next time y'all see me in the video, I will be having my goals in. I'm not gonna tell y'all what they look like yet. But with that being said, you already know what it is, man. Jamal Wade. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notification. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get to this place because I'm driving right now. I don't think that it's safe to be driving and recording, even though I'm a safe driver. That's what it says on my license. You are a safe driver. So I'm like, okay, cool. You know what I'm saying? As long as I'm focusing on the road, you know what I'm saying, putting turn signals on, you know what I'm saying, I'm good. Everything good in the hood, you feel me? And yeah, like I said, we're gonna get back into this video. Once I get to the place, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna let y'all see the goals. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all already know what it is, man. Jamal Wade, I'm out. Yo, what's poppin', gang? So I just got here to the place to come pick up my goals. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm gonna wear a mask until I put my goals in or whatnot, because I don't want to catch the COVID. So yeah, man, this shit, been waiting for this. Oh man, let's see what we got here. Like I said, man, I'm gonna wear my goals in the rest of my videos. I don't want y'all to see it yet, so make sure it's cool if I record him. Not everybody like to be on videos. Hey, what's up, brother?
Hello.
How you doing, man?
Good.
Yes, sir. Hey, I got a little video running right now for my YouTube. Is that cool?
Okay, sure.
Okay, cool. So you 200?
Yep.
Sounds good to me. Cash money. 200 right there. Yes, sir. Tell my subscribers they ain't gonna see me until I get my goals in my mouth, so unfortunately I can't. So let's take this off. I'm gonna pause. What's poppin', gang? You already know what it is, man. Just got the goals. Glee. Hey, you see it, you know what I'm saying? Got the diamond cut, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got my mask on because I don't want it on right now because I want to show y'all my goals. Let's go. Hey. So I'm thinking about getting the top, but I like the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Hey, okay. They fit pretty snug. You know what I'm saying? Ain't got the perfect teeth, but hey, you know what I'm saying? I like them. You feel me? Had to get the golds. Shout out Mr. Gold Teeth. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't yet, be sure to follow him on all social media, Mr. Gold Teeth. You know what I'm saying? Had to get the golds. Yeah, they look good on me, man. I like them. I got the fangs in there. You know what I'm saying? Almost forgot where I parked at. But yeah, like I said, man, y'all be sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications. It's kind of hard for me to talk right now, but that's the whole point of having them. Gotta get them things used to. You know what I'm saying? Glee. Hey. Uh-huh.
Yeah, let's get all the shit that I've been through. You would've thought that a nigga been on. Sometimes shit go wrong. Them cold nights slept on the floor. Broke days I had to get alone. I was down bad